cover right here. Just use a pick, slide that cover off, just like that. Then underneath here, you might have to use a trim tool. Just try to be careful and pry this piece off. Comes off like that. There's some clips that hold that on. Down here, there's a little cover right here. Just pop the cover off. There's a Phillips head screw right here. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. And you can use a pick and just get underneath here. This whole piece is going to slide up, just like this. Try not to pry under here. And disconnect the connector right there. It's just a little tab. Push down on the tab. You can use a pick or just your finger. And slide that off. There's 2 screws down here. Use the same Phillips head screw. One right here, and there should be one down here. Take those out. And there should be one right here. Actually, it's sitting right there. Now grab the panel, and you can use a trim tool if you want to, and just pull out. There's some push pins holding it on. And then just pull up, slide it out. You can disconnect the cables right here. They just slide off. Keep in mind which one goes where. The bottom one has the ball. The top one has this little retainer that holds in. Take this trim piece off. You can use a trim tool. Just try to get underneath there. There's a couple of push pins that hold that in. Now we can disconnect the connector right here. Push down on the tab. Slide it off. And if you have to, there's a retainer right here. You can use a trim tool, pop that off. Another one right here. Pop those off. There's some push pins on the back side of here. Just take a trim tool. Try to pop these push pins out. They're just holding the weather strip to the mirror. Just like that. There's 3 of them. Now that's separated from the mirror. Use a 10mm socket. Take these nuts off. Once you get to the last one, you want to support the mirror from the outside, just in case so it doesn't fall. And grab the mirror and slide it out. And there it is. Take the mirror and slide it through the hole. Slide the wiring harness through the hole. Get the studs to line up. Take the nuts, get those started. Once you get one started, then you can let go of the mirror. Get the other ones. And you can snug these down, not too tight, just snug. That's good. Now take these push pins, slide those in position. That holds the weather stripping to the mirror. And we can connect this connector. Take this cover, line this cover up, and lock it down. Now, put the door panel on. We want to connect these cables. Take the one with the ball. It's going to go first. Attach right there. Slide it on. And then this one right here. That one's going to go right here. Lock those down. And just grab the wiring harness right here. Slide it in position. You have push pins all around. Just push it back in place. Now we're going to put the screws back in and tighten these down. And put these screws in. And install the screw right here. Snug it down. Connect the connector. Line this up. Push it down. Put the last screw in here. Snug it down. You put the cover on. It goes right there. Just push it into place. This cover is going to go over here. Slide the tab in, lock it down, and then the trim piece. Just line this up. Lock it down.